Hello and welcome to another AQA GCSE 8300 series. This is the June 2017 past paper. We're looking at the second paper in the foundation tier, and we're picking up in question 20, which reads, a code has 4 digits. Each digit is a number from 0 to 9. Digits may be repeated. The code starts 541. Part 20A says Joe chooses a number at random for the last digit. Write down the probability that he chooses the correct number. Okay, so the answer to that is actually quite simple. It's just 1 chance out of 10. Now, according to the examiner's report, a lot of people seem to say that the chances were 1 in 9. I suspect what they did was did 9 minus 0 equals 9 possibilities between 0 and 9. But there are actually 10 numbers from 0 to 9. So if we actually write down those numbers, there's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then if we count those numbers, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 numbers. So the chances of the one that's correct is hidden somewhere in those 10, and probability is event over sample space. I'm just going to write S.S for sample space. So the sample space is these 10 numbers here, and the event is the one that's correct. We don't know which one, but one of those is correct, and only one of those is correct. The numbers can be repeated, so just because there's a 5 and a 4 and a 1 there doesn't change anything. So the chances is just 1 chance out of 10. This should be written as a fraction. It should not be written as a ratio. Apparently, according to the marking scheme and the examiner's report, some people decided to write this as a ratio, as 1 to 9. That's incorrect. It's not a ratio, it's a probability. Okay, so 20B says Amy knows the last digit is odd but not 7. She chooses a different odd number at random. What is the probability that she chooses the correct number? Okay, so our odd numbers from 0 to 9 is 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. And Amy knows that the last digit is odd but not 7, so we can cross out 7 as a possibility. So only one answer is correct out of 1, 2, 3, 4 possibilities. Again, our probability is event, which is one answer is correct out of 1, 2, 3, 4 4 possible options. So our sample space is 4, our event is 1. So our probability is 1 in 4. You could, of course, write this as a decimal if you want, or you could have done 0.1, or you could have written it as 10%. Those are all perfectly acceptable ways of expressing your probability. Again, you could have done this as 0.25 or 25%. Those are all possible correct answers. Okay, I hope you found that helpful. If you're taking your GCSEs this year, I would like to wish you every success with your revision and every success with your exam. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video.